Have you ever wondered why, despite all the sacrifices, calorie restrictions, and constant effort, the scale stays stubbornly stuck? Or worse, bounces right back with extra pounds the moment you ease up? The truth is, your body isn't just a simple calorie calculator. It's a living, open system governed by complex energy flows and biochemical signals. At the center, your microbiome, that hidden third brain in your gut. When it's disrupted and depleted, it pulls more energy from every bite, triggers endless hunger, sparks chronic inflammation, turning even the strictest diet into a cruel paradox. The more you restrict, the more you damage microbial diversity, sabotaging your metabolism and locking you in the endless yo-yo cycle. Sustainable weight loss isn't about fighting hunger or endlessly counting calories. It's about restoring harmony to your inner ecosystem, rebuilding biodiversity, generating immunomodulatory molecules, and reconnecting efficient cellular communication. When that complex, thriving microbiome returns, your body stops seeing restriction as a threat and finally starts burning fat naturally, effortlessly, and for good. This is real citizen science, not chasing commercial fads, but trusting biology that works according to nature. The secret to lasting change isn't in another diet. It's in cultivating the complexity of your inner ecosystem.